Check out this stylish little SUV. It's called the Peugeot 2008. It's the French company's new pitch for the small SUV market segment. Today we're sampling the two flagship variants. First, the GT Sport, which is the most expensive and most powerful option. On first impressions, it definitely stands out with a stunning design. We especially like this new Vertigo Blue exterior colour, which is a $1,000 option. And this example shows off the sporty black roof option. All variants are front-wheel drive and feature a basic torsion beam rear suspension setup. As with most French cars, the ride comfort is very good, although it can be a bit bouncy on certain country roads. Separating the GT Sport from the others visually is a set of sophisticated 18-inch alloy wheels, with spokes that look like they were carved out by a sword. The high attention to detail carries over to the interior as well. In fact, this is probably the best looking interior of this class. It not only looks good, most surfaces and touch points are made from high quality materials. In saying that, the 2008 is one of the most expensive vehicles in this class. However, it is good to see the extra cost does seem to be justified, at least in this area. There are quite a few quirky details and some annoyances, which is pretty typical from Peugeot. For example, the steering wheel can block the view of the high-mounted instrument cluster. The idea is to lower the steering column, but for us that just feels weird. Rear seat space is also quite small for this class, and there are no rear climate vents in the back of the console, but it is great to see a pair of charging ports here. In the very back, the boot is split into two levels. This does help with versatility, as you can store smaller items underneath, and they won't bounce around. Under the bonnet is a perky 1.2 litre turbo-petrol 3-cylinder. It's full of character, and it gives off an enthusiastic thrum sound. Performance is also pretty decent for the level of power. This is what it goes like. We also tested the GT model, which slots just beneath the GT Sport. It retains that stunning exterior design and can be optioned with the same rich blue paint and contrasting black roof. The main difference on the outside is a set of 17-inch alloy wheels, which, in our opinion, do not have the same classy look of the 18s on the GT Sport. They're also wrapped in slightly inferior Bridgestone tyres compared with Michelin's on the GT Sport. Taking a look inside, it is virtually identical. You still get the full-size 10-inch multimedia touchscreen and the fully digital instrument cluster with configurable display themes. The leather-clad seats are similar too, but it misses out on the power-adjustable driver's seat and the cool massage function presented in the GT Sport. In the back, it is exactly the same, and even the twin charging ports carry over. Unfortunately, there's no flip-down center armrest with cup holders in either variant, but there are bottle holders in the doors. Power comes from the same 1.2 turbo engine, only it's detuned, so power is reduced by 18 kilowatts and torque is down by 10 newton meters. The engine is also matched to a 6-speed auto compared with the 8-speed in the GT Sport. Interestingly, fuel consumption is higher in this lower output configuration. The 8-speed auto in the GT Sport no doubt helps. This is what the GT goes like